In this video, we will walk through how to download, install, and configure the Honeywell HSM USB serial driver for barcode scanners. The Honeywell HSM USB serial driver enables compatible scanners such as Voyager, Xenon, and Granite series to communicate with a PC using USB serial emulation, allowing the device to appear as a virtual COM port. Let's go step by step. First, go to https://hsmftp.honeywell.com and download the driver. Go to the Honeywell FTP website and register for an account. Once your account is created, log in and navigate to Software of Barcode Scanners, Software Drivers, Honeywell Scanning, HSM, USB Serial Driver Current. You will see two available files. The HSM USB Serial Driver version 3.5.xx.zip, which is used for Honeywell series scanners like Voyager, Xenon, and Granite. And the HSM USB Serial Driver R1.19 Legacy Metrologic, which is used for scanners with unidirectional USB COM port emulation. Note that Intermex scanners use a different driver. Choose the appropriate version and download it. Inside the zip package, you will find a release note and a README file. These include supported devices, operating systems, and installation instructions. Next, locate the downloaded zip file. Unzip the contents to a new folder on your PC, preferably on the desktop. Do not run the installer directly from the zip file, as the driver will not install correctly. Now open the extracted folder. If you are using the R1.19 version, check your Windows operating system architecture. For a 64-bit system, right-click on install_x64.bat and select Run as Administrator. For a 32-bit system, use install_x86 and run it as administrator. A command prompt window will appear briefly and close once installation is complete. If you are using HSM driver version 3.5.30 or higher, right-click on setup.bat and select Run as Administrator. A command prompt window may appear, followed by a setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, verify the driver. Open Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Confirm that Honeywell Control Device is listed. Now for post-installation steps. Connect the scanner to the computer. Set the scanner interface to USB serial emulation by scanning the correct programming barcode. For metrologic scanners, scan, enable bidirectional USB serial emulation mode or enable unidirectional USB serial emulation mode, depending on the model. For Honeywell scanners, look for barcodes labeled USB serial emulation, or USB COM port emulation. You can find these barcodes in the configuration sheet, user guide, or quick start guide. After scanning the barcode, press the trigger if necessary, especially for presentation mode scanners. Windows will then automatically install and assign a virtual COM port. Wait until the installation process finishes before using the scanner. To verify the COM port assignment, open Device Manager. Expand the Ports, COM and LPT section. Locate the assigned virtual COM port. Note that in Windows 10, this section may not appear if no COM ports are active. If the COM port assigned needs to be forced to a specific number, as it will be randomly assigned, go to the Files section in the same page, for a document that explains the process to edit it. Also, you can find a verifying COM port assignment video. To locate this video, go to Honeywell IA Support Portal. In the search window, type keywords like virtual COM port. Identify the resource article in the list. Open the resource article. Go to the Answer/Solution section. Down there you will find a video. Thank you for watching.